Hello everyone. As you know, in the previous videos we have done the questions related to the OD mass. Now today I have added one more alphabet B to OD mass, which means that bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here what does this B says? That it is a bracket, and we know, as you can see on my board, the brackets are of four types. Then first one is bar, that is it is having a line. Then second is round bracket, third one is curly bracket, and fourth is square. Now let us solve the question related to the board mass, in which it is having the bar, round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Now according to the board mass, what we have to solve the first? We have to solve our brackets. Now which bracket I will solve the first? I will solve my bar bracket. So let's do it. 1440 minus square bracket starts 24 minus curly bracket 15 minus round bracket 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 becomes 4, and then round bracket closed, and then curly bracket closed, and then square bracket closed. Right? Now again in the next step, which bracket I will solve now? I will solve my round bracket. As I have finished my bar bracket, then I will continue with my round bracket. Now then I will write the statement as, now solving the round bracket, and in this round bracket I am having 2 multiplied by 4 and its answer becomes 8, and then I have solved this round bracket, and I will not put the round bracket again, and I will close this curly bracket and then square bracket. Okay. Now next 1440 minus 24 minus, now after completing the round bracket I will solve my curly bracket. As you know, in the curly bracket it is 15 minus 8, and you know 15 minus 8 becomes 7. Now I have finished the curly bracket, then it becomes vanish and I will left only with the square bracket. And now I have to solve my square bracket first. Then 24 minus 7 becomes 17. Now you can see on solving the brackets I easily came to the easiest statement, and now easily I subtract the 17 from 1440 and I will get my answer as 1423. Now let us continue with one more example. I am having 100 minus square bracket 90 minus curly bracket 80 minus round bracket 70 minus 10 minus 50 round bracket closed, curly bracket closed and square bracket closed. Now here is not a bar bracket is there, so I will continue with the round bracket. So let us continue. I will write 100 minus 90 minus curly bracket 8 minus, you know that 70, now minus minus becomes plus, minus 10 minus 50 becomes minus 6. Then curly bracket and then square bracket closed. Now again 100 minus, now I will solve my round bracket, 90 minus curly bracket starts 80 minus 70 minus 60 becomes 10. Then curly bracket closed, then square bracket closed. Now I have completed the round bracket. Now I will solve my curly bracket. 100 minus 90 minus 10, 80 minus 10 is, that is 70. Then again square bracket. Okay, closed. Then 100 minus 90 minus 70, it becomes 20. Then 100 minus 20, it becomes. Now in the next example, I am having the brackets and I am having the off operation. Now according to the board mass, what I have to solve the first, I will solve my brackets, and brackets are here, and I will get 24 plus 13 minus 5 multiplied by 1 by 2 of 10 minus 45 divided by 17 minus 2, I get 15. Right? Now on solving the brackets, I will solve next my operation of, okay, and then I will get 24 plus 13 minus 5 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 10 minus 45 divided by 15. You can easily go to the cutting, that is 5. Okay, and you get as 24 plus 13 minus 5 multiplied by 5 minus 45 divided by 15, right? And now solving the off operation, you will then go to the division. Okay, then 24 plus 13 minus 5 multiplied by 5 minus 45 divided by 15, I will get as 3. Then 24 plus 13, then after division I will solve my multiplication, and I got 25 minus 3. Okay, now I will solve my addition. Then 24 plus 13, it will becomes 24 plus 13 becomes 37, minus becomes plus, minus 25 minus 3 becomes minus 28, and I will left with only with subtraction, and I got 37 minus 28, I got our answer as 9. Okay students, I hope you can able to understand the BODMAS questions. If you have any query, you are free to ask. Thank you and have a good day.